Windows 10 is officially outdated, and Microsoft has generously decided that millions of perfectly powerful computers are now obsolete just because they don't meet the hardware requirements for Windows 11. It's not that your hardware can't run a modern operating system, it's just that Windows has decided you are no longer part of their ecosystem. Today, we are going to take a look at 5 Windows alternatives that doesn't care how old your CPU is. We have got options for gamers, professionals, and for people who just want their 2019 laptop to feel brand new again. If Windows 11 feels like dragging an anchor behind your PC, this is for you. If your computer used to be very fast but now struggles to open a simple application, Linux Mint might be the cure. The first time you boot into Mint, it feels instantly familiar. You get a taskbar, a start menu to launch your applications, and your files are exactly where you can expect them to be. But the real magic happens in the background. While Windows can sit there eating 4 to 5 GB of RAM doing almost nothing, Mint idles at less than 1.5 GB. That means your hardware is free to focus on your actual work, not background services or telemetry. One of the best features of Mint is time shift. With one click, you can back up your entire system. Think of it as an undo button for your computer. If you install a bad driver or change a setting and something breaks, you can roll your system back to exactly how it was before. So no more panic, no more hours of troubleshooting. Now let's talk about the driver manager. It automatically detects your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card and installs the official drivers with a single click. Linux Mint is perfect for people who can't run Windows 11. If you want a reliable, fast computer but feels familiar, this is your operating system. If you're sticking with Windows just because you like the modern look, you are missing out. ZORIN 18 is easily one of the most beautiful operating systems out there in the market. Everything in ZORIN feels premium. The animations are very smooth, the effects look stunning, and the whole system just feels expensive. You can make it look exactly like Windows 10, Windows 11, or even macOS if you're feeling a bit fancy. You can also get ZORIN Connect. It lets you sync your phone with your PC. You can reply to text messages from your desktop and even use your phone as a touchpad for your computer. ZORIN OS is perfect for someone who loves a premium feel. It's the most professional looking desktop on this list, and it's ideal for browsing, office work, and showing off your setup. Most people think Chrome OS is only for Chromebooks, but FydeOS is different. It takes the speed of Chromium OS and brings it to almost any PC with support for built-in Android applications. FydeOS is based on the open-source Chromium project. It boots in seconds and feels incredibly lightweight. Because it's designed around the web, it uses less system resources than Windows. If you are a student or someone who does most of the work in a browser, this is one of the fastest and smoother experiences you can ever get. One of its biggest features is full Android app support. You can run Android applications and games on your desktop in windowed mode. The newer split view even makes it feel like a high-end tablet or hybrid laptop. Now just keep in mind that Play Store support is still experimental and may not work perfectly on every device. FydeOS also supports Linux containers, so you can run tools like VS Code or GIMP alongside your Android applications. Overall, FydeOS is perfect for students and cloud-focused users. If most of your work happens in Google Docs or a web browser, but you still want access to Android and Linux applications, this is a great choice. The year of Linux gaming is finally here, and Bazzite is a big reason why. Now think of it as a Steam OS, but built for your desktop PC. While Windows 11 struggles with background updates and random performance drops, the system files are locked and protected, so it's stable, secure, and hard to break. It also comes pre-loaded with Steam, Lutris, and Heroic Launcher, everything a gamer needs. Because it doesn't run thousands of background processes, many games can see a small FPS boost compared to Windows. Shader stutter is reduced and input lag feels very minimal. If you own a handheld like the ROG Ally or Legion Go, Bazzite gives you that clean, console-style Steam Deck experience. Before switching, check ProtonDB. If your favorite game is rated Gold or Platinum, it will run great. Bazzite is for gamers who want their Steam library to just work without fighting Windows updates or driver issues. And lastly, we have the OS for the pros. If you do coding, video editing, or heavy multitasking, the new Cosmic Desktop on Pop! OS can seriously improve your workflow. Pop! OS is made by System 76, a company that builds its own Linux computers. The standard feature is auto-tiling. You don't drag and resize windows anymore, just open your applications and the system automatically arranges them in a workspace. The new Cosmic Desktop is built in Rust, making it very fast and responsive. It handles multi-monitor setups very smoothly and includes powerful workspaces so you can separate projects and stay focused. If you have an NVIDIA laptop, there's even a version with drivers pre-installed. For creative professionals moving away from Windows, Pop! OS is one of the most stable and polished choices. So the bottom line of this video, whether you choose Mint for that classic feel, Bazzite for the ultimate gaming setup, or ZORIN for a premium look, you have taken the first step toward real computer freedom. And that's pretty much it. These are the top 5 Windows alternative that you can try in 2026. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button down there. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.